Nope. Pump it.
How do you do that?
Put on safety.
Safety.
Press the button.
Here, come do this.
Look.
Push that.
Yeah, well, it's already pushed. Why don't you just add it back?
Shoot one more target and you guys win.
Take your time, bub.
Now what do I do?
Pump it again.
Well, the other target's gone.
Pump it. Yeah, it's already got it out. Put on safety.
Did I get it?
Yeah, you gotta make sure it's on safety. Keep staying up here going on.
Is it off safety?
For him to shoot.
Do I shoot one of those?
Still hitting.
Put it on safety. And then chamber it. Make sure you see the ground going in. Take your time. Make sure you look at the caught you on target.
Maybe it might be high.
I'm gonna have a humongous bruise.
Good shot. Put on safety.
Safety.
Turn it back. There you go.
Every time you open it, it goes smoke.
You gotta take your time. On safety. Drag it back.
Keep.
Yeah, take your time. Let no rush. Get that one up top. That's it up top. Low.
I'll go down to check.
There you go.
You knocked it off.
Kicked again.
I
And I can hear my brain beating.
You might kneel down.
Oh, you probably need something back behind you.
Take your time, look straight down the barrel. You're not all the way down the barrel, are you? Hold on, don't shoot yet. Let me see how you're looking. Are you lining them up? Well, when you get it lined up, kick it off safety, line it up again.
I ain't kidding.
You shot it.
I tried to unload it.
It's on safety.
Did you see
Don't
that
put
time
your
I
hands
killed
in
my
the
turkey
front.
like you? I'm bringing
Make sure
that
you get a good aim
paper
this time.
home.
Ain't that one off? Are you lining that up with that? Can you hold it by yourself?
No.
Yes, you can.
What's that? I
Hold up.
can't. I cannot hold this.
Yes, you can.
I can't. I can't hold this.
Well, you can aim.
It's aiming way too high.
He's aiming way too high.
Then you got to control this. Put your own way out there. This one might just be too big for you still.
That's like me punching you.
Well, yeah, but you're not just you. You can go watch me.
I go watch. Too big. Why are you punching me in the head? Yeah, it is. No,
Not right now.
What are you shooting at? I'm going to try that one that's jack leg there by the pole.
Miss.
Shoot that top one out.
The top one on this side? On this side?
Yeah, but I'm getting these ones.
Time get it aimed in tight.
You like squatting like that?
Beating again.
Same on top of it. Let's make that bigger.
Perfect kill shot, Dad.
No, it ain't.
That is.
No, it ain't.
Got him right here.
No, wouldn't kill him.
This one's dead.
They put more using that.
I shot this
I
one.
did this one
too.
too. And this one. I did these three.
That turkey's gone.
I shot this one and this one. This one dead too?
What's this middle one? Didn't it? Rocky aim for that one?
Yeah, but he didn't get it.
Oh.
Because it was folded up.